In this video, I will show you how to turn this.
Do this.
Hello and welcome. I'm going to tell you how to use a green screen for your photo and video editing needs. Green screens are available in several ways. You can use a bedsheet or cloth like this. It's green. Or you can get poster paper to clamp it up. One major thing do not do is do not wear green, because it will bleed through to your green screen and will turn your shirt or whatever you're wearing into your background, and you don't want that.
Now that you have your green screen in place, I'm going to show you how to change it to a picture that you have saved on your hard drive. And I'll give you an example on Zoom. So you click on the camera icon, the arrow next to it, then click on virtual background. And make sure I have a green screen is checked. Then click on the plus button you see here, add image, and choose any image on your hard drive, and that's it.
So happy green screening.